when you look at a beetle or you look at an insect or you look at an animal, what is happening? Like that simple question, where is that, and is there a space for the learning, spaces to give that for kids?
So I think the conversations that we're having inside the room is making a lot of sense outside for me.
So we work with collaborators who do not have an ecology background at all, who got sparked with an interest to look at nature, and eventually realized that they would love to bring it in their learners as well. And now they do sessions, be it around foundation literacy, be it around teaching other subjects, math, science. They use nature as a tool as well, right?
It's helpful, especially for people who are starting out like me, to have someone guide them and tell them, okay, look, give them cues like, look at these places, and then we can explore that.
Yeah, this experience is exactly for me. It's for a new person.
Very good opportunity to go out and meet other people to see how they work with children, what are the challenges that they are seeing. So it was only for these, knowledge sharing and to have fun at the end.